What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. So today we are at this beautiful waterfront restaurant and bar here in Hanover, right down by, I believe it's Mosquito Cove. Yeah, man. So if you're coming from Montego Bay, it's going to be on the right hand side, and if you're coming from Lucy End, it's going to be on the left hand side. Yeah, man. And this is some goat soup right here. See it there? It is wicked, amazing. The soup right here, guys, is like packed with a bunch of flavor. It's not spicy, but they give you a little bit of everything in here, banana, carrot, everything, all the grown provisions you can think of. And trust me, you definitely need to try it. Primetime Lando, him just order some curry fish, the fish that you get to choose the size fish that you want and the style. So I guess they could cook it any style. So he chose curry fish. All right, so once him get him order, we go find out what going on with it, see how it tastes, because no sample piece same way. I'm not really hungry, so I'm not really getting no food right now. So I just get a little something, Yeah, man. So keep watching the vlog, guys.
Yeah. I'm get one card from them.
I'm see your food.
I don't want to
All right. Fried chicken looking active. My tribe say a leg here.
You alright?
So I'll still like my tribe.
No.
So see how me add a bammy. Yeah?
That's a difference.
Here. One look. Alright, what's that on? Jaden, let me taste one fried chicken. One look a piece more. Huh?
Here?
A spoon. A spoon.
Yeah.
You what? Yes.
Jerry, how you got it?
Oh.
You see, I said you did them.
Chicken.
Whoa. What is Jaden?
Chicken look good still, I know.
Alright.
Give the people them, let them see what's in.
Alright, so Jaden ordered the fried chicken with curry gravy on the rice and peas with the fresh veg on the side. So I'm a food man, and I love meat, so we'll find out. Why? Listen, listen. We'll go find out right now, Smell, I lick my finger already, people. Fried chicken active.
I'm not so high.
Yeah. Just gonna eat and done. Fried chicken nice.
Chef, hold the chicken.
Delicious. 10 out of 10 right now.
10 out of 10.
A1. I'm not lie. Not because I'm there, but I see something. Big up the chef in our back, man. Yeah, man. What's the name of this area right there?
Waterfront.
Not Mosquito Cove, okay. Alright. Yeah, man, so definitely check out Waterfront Restaurant and Bar in a Mosquito Cove, Hanover. Close to Lucy. Yeah, man. So that's a go on, that's a go on.
A Keegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Food make moves, yeah, me born for style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Keegan lifestyle, out there, out there. Yeah. Keegan the hustler, me wake up early. Ambition strong, me goal them loud like a dancer.
Guys, this is the second cup with the pan, May I tell you, they have some lovely staff here at Waterfront Bar and Restaurant and Bar. What's your name? Alicia, come here. How long have you been working here?
For 9 months.
9 months?
Yes.
Yeah, how do you like it so far?
It's good.
It's good?
You came after the hurricane then.
After the hurricane.
So are you a bartender or a chef? Are you versatile? You do a little bit of everything and...
Little bit of everything. Bartender, waitress,
Yeah.
cashier.
And you like it so far? You love it so far?
Love it.
You love it? Everything good?
Yeah. Have great customers as well.
What your favorite dish on the menu and your favorite drinks? Like, what you recommend? Besides the rum punch, because I know say rum punch good,
Alright, so the best meal would be the oxtail.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, you ain't tell me no oxtail, man.
Run the ox here.
A joke. So, oxtail.
A kangaroo till it tastes good, no sir?
What about like the fish and all them, something there, and the fried chicken? Because,
Escovitch fish is good.
yeah? I personally, you choose a fish,
And she give me curry fish.
Alright, escovitch fish is good, okay. You eat chicken? Or you don't eat meat?
I eat jerk chicken.
Oh,
I don't eat fried chicken.
oh.
Why not
So
fried
say
chicken?
you're too fancy for you fry? Okay, okay.
But the jerk chicken has a nice flavor to it.
Yeah.
The jerk sauce and everything.
So y'all do it like authentic, like on the grill or on the...
And the grill.
Nice. If me don't have jerk chicken, I'm gonna add a piece long time.
It's on the menu.
But tell you what.
I wanted soup at first.
You can still add that jerk
Oh,
chicken.
shit. Yeah. Alright, you tell you what we'll do. Him don't do it. We'll come back one different day. We want to do it from scratch. And I back everything. See how the chef prepare, bomb, put on the grill. All of that.
This is the bammy. Bammy right here.
Waterfront.
Yeah.
Check out Hanover.
The hot.
What?
So this now, nice and hot, you know. You can mix this with the fried chicken, the curry fish, anything, any flavor, just add it to the bammy. And let me say guys, most things are made to order, so have a little patience when I come, and you're good.
Mommy.
Alright. What's that?
Oh my God!
I'm in the kitchen.
Yeah, play with the food, man.
Oh,
So,
God. Y'all let too far. I can't catch it.
They do stush.
Yeah.
Alright. People, I'm just gonna tell you right now. The flavor of the bammy, delicious. That's all I taste, just the bammy. Let me set my camera right.
guys, the carrot, potato,
What's it?
excellent.
Excellent. This is the chef.
Nice little spice pan it too.
We might have sampled my fish before.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. I just want a piece more, because you dropped the bammy already.
Not true. I don't want to waste no more.
Because this rice I want.
But so far, the flavor is nice. Food is delicious. So far. Just the flavor.
Yo, it's not too pepper. It's not too spicy.
Just right.
Nice, so the vegetable upon it, right, the carrot and the thing them,
Right.
al dente, crunchy, perfectly cooked. Big up Nova.
Nova Scotia, big up yourself.
Shine bright like a diamond, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
shine bright like a diamond.
The food nice, me not like. And it's not too pepper for real. It's really good, real good.
Chef right
I
there.
love it.
You can trust him.
I really love it.
I'm gonna be honest. He don't like no food.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when.
Yes, guys. So the food, like everything that we tried at Waterfront Restaurant and Bar, was amazing in Mosquito Cove, Hanover, Lucy. Yeah. So now we're heading toward the Lucy town, the town of Lucy, Hanover, and then we're gonna go up on the hill in a Kingsville, Dias, Hampton Court, and do some other things. All right. So I'll see you when we get there, when we get to the final destination and unpack the car and all that stuff, all right? And then we're gonna end the vlog there. I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything else, but just keep watching and you never know, all right? Yes, people, so we're there in a place now. We're there. I want to look at grave digging. I will come up on the hill from Lucy. And we're there up on the hill right now and we go down at the grave digging and see what go on. Let's eat. Yes, people, so she deal with the saltfish. It's gonna be escovitch saltfish. She boil them first. How you deal with it? Tell us.
No, I will tell you how me deal.
No, don't tell them. Don't give away a secret ingredient.
Give away the secret, but I have to soak it first.
Yeah.
Then I have to scale it. So we have to scale it like how we scale fish.
Yeah.
Right, and then we fry it. After we fry it, then we escovitch our onion, pepper, and you can add a little cucumber, but not with the escovitch. Separate.
Yeah, they want love to it. All right, that's our word.
Stand up in that one, yeah.
All right, that's our word. Oh my God, guys. This is everything, guys. Mama's Kitchen is the best kitchen in Hanover. Listen, the fried chicken does come out of the island hot, so I can't bite into it yet. But the escovitch saltfish, let me tell you about it. You can eat the saltfish and the carrot by itself. So it's like a carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, you know, steamed down in that vinegar, salty sugar sauce. And then, you know, the saltfish is boiled just to remove some of that sauce, some of that saltiness. And then to deep fry it, like without the bread, you know. But you deep fry it, guys, and make it crispy. And no, this is it. You see that? And the fried chicken right there, like crispy. KFC chicken have nothing on it. Me I tell you right now. This chicken right now, you say any cook shop or street side fried chicken, KFC have nothing on it. Me I tell you right now. That me I tell you. Whoa. Yo, people big up on yourself. Right now, we went home, take a shower, and now we are back at the grave digging, and the grave digging is all that you would wish for. The grave digging, nice. The music, nice. Yes, guys. So we're at the end of the video, and we're just gonna cut the video right here. Big up on yourself. Until next time, peace, one love. I'm out.